All right, welcome to Geology and Our Environment. I'm Dr. Maypri Gabordi Calhoun. We're glad to have you in the course with us. And let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that we are going to need to do to be successful in the course. The first thing that you should do is to get a copy of the textbook, Environmental Geology, 11th edition by Carla Montgomery. It is essential that you have an environmental geology textbook. It is not essential that you need to have this edition of the environmental geology textbook. Please feel free to get an older textbook. Also, I've included a website, McGraw-Hill website, where you can rent a copy of the textbook. Whatever you need to do to get it, just make sure that you do have a copy, but it's fine if it's an older copy. Okay, so once you've gotten the textbook, then you should go ahead and take a look at the course introduction and complete your academic integrity agreement. And after that, we're going to dive right into the course. So please go ahead and write your 3-paragraph introduction by Wednesday, and then read over your week 1 overview. So this talks us through what we're doing this week. Overall, in this course, we are going to look at the environmental geology issues that might affect you in your area. And your final project is a field report that you're going to write that will be specific to your area that you are in. And each week we're going to be building parts of it. So everything that we do in this class, you will be able to use again for your environmental field log for your area. So this week, we're going to be looking at geologic resources in your area. And for your week 1 discussion, we need to first learn about rocks and minerals and what geologic resources are. And we're specifically talking about non-fossil fuel resources right now. Okay, we'll come back to the fossil fuel resources later when we talk about energy. But right now, we're talking about things like granite, copper, rare earth elements, those kinds of things that we use all the time, every day around us. Some of them may be mined in your area, some may not. So for your discussion board, you're going to pick one geologic resource. This does not have to be mined near you. This could be from anywhere. And once you think of one that you want, go ahead and post it on the discussion board so that you can go ahead and start doing your research and know that your peers aren't going to want to also do that one, okay? So take a look at that assignment to know how to do that. Select your resource, and then you're going to do the research, and I've got guiding questions for you to look up and write your post on. Your initial post every week is due on Wednesday at midnight, and your initial post should be about 300 words, 300 words or more. And it should also come with references. Okay, so 300 words plus your references for your initial post. All right, once you have done your week 1 discussion, then you can turn to your fact sheet for the week. So every week we'll have a discussion board. Every week we'll have a fact sheet. And then you will also have a third assignment. So this week, your fact sheet is going to be about geologic resources in your state. And when you read over that assignment, I've got several websites so that you can start to think about where to explore that information. If you have trouble finding information on geologic resources that are mined in your state, then just email me and I'll be happy to help walk you through that. Okay, so first you buy the book. Second, you do your 3-paragraph introduction. Third, you do your initial discussion board post about a geologic resource. Then you do your fact sheet. And then finally, you get to watch a video. So I really like this video. It's actually pretty neat. Ring of Fire video, and this talks about plate tectonics and geologic processes. And so I want you to watch this video and submit your answers for the assignment. Pay attention to what you submit, because next week you're going to use these answers to help inform you as you write your discussion board. Okay? So again, get the book, write your introduction, write your discussion board initial post, do your fact sheet, ring of fire video, and then make sure, and this is something that a lot of people sometimes forget, make sure you write your responses on the discussion board post. Make sure that you do those by Sunday. If you have any questions, please email me. I am happy to work with all of you. I know that this is a lot to do in this short of a time. These 5-week courses are a lot, but if you stick with it, I think that you can get a lot out of this that you may find useful in your area. The end product of this course will be basically a short environmental field guide for your area. So I hope you find that exciting. I think it's a lot of fun. Again, I'm Dr. G. Please feel free to email me, reach out anytime that I can help. All right. Good luck and take care.